Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLS 550 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Under the hood is a V8 twin turbo pushing out 455 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 21-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. Tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. We've got a saddle brown black leather interior, panorama sunroof, third row seating. Coming around back, we've got our GLS 550 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, all season floor mats, cargo cover, fold down third row seats, trailer hitch. Coming around back, you've got rear heated seats and rear climate controls. This one does come with the driver's assistance package, so it's going to give you blind spot assist, pre-safe. You've got Harman Kardon sound system, nice wood trim, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hop in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. Navigation, a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, our radio, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, our buttons for our media center and dynamic select driving settings. This vehicle has 30,877 miles on it. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS, check out feldmanimports.com.